Hey friends and neighbors, Catherine came with me to run some errands this morning. It's still mighty cold outside. I know it looks real pretty today, and it is real pretty today, but it's still really cold outside. But while we're out and about running errands, she has asked if we could go to the thrift store. What do you think? Should I take her to the thrift store? I guess it all depends on if she can behave while we're running errands or not. We'll see you. Where are we, Catherine?
At the thrift store.
Why?
Because I want to come here.
She's going straight for the toys. Look at all those naked Barbie dolls. You don't need that.
Look. Stay up there. What's this? Dirty.
Yeah, yuck.
Look at that. And I actually have legs inside.
What do you do with that?
What?
That.
This?
Yeah.
Give me a lot of power.
Do you need a lot of power?
Look what I got.
Yuck. Something for me to step on.
What's this?
That's a bug box.
You put bugs.
Yuck.
Oh, look at this.
That's just what you need, isn't it?
Do you want to get on it?
Of course I do not. That looks like a torture device.
Actually, all you do is get on it, Daddy, and put your feet on it and push. So you actually have to pick up your own weight on this.
Oh, well, I can never do it then.
And look at this.
You know what that is? Tell me what that is. No, turn around.
Well, you stand on these and you get bound, and then you're supposed to jump on it.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't try that. Are you hiding?
No.
Look.
Hello.
Hello.
And many dollar man. Daddy, do you know this?
All kinds of books.
Do you know this?
Look at that. I might need that.
Hey, look, there's a mini doll man.
Oh my gosh.
A mini doll that's a man.
Are you excited about that?
They're falling out.
Books
And look
everywhere.
behind you.
Look at that thing. An all-American pressure cooker. It's only $40. I think I'll pass on that today.
Look, Daddy.
I certainly don't need that thing. Maybe a old coffee pot contraption.
It's a coffee pot, Daddy.
Catherine found a coffee pot down here. A tea kettle.
And look,
Is that a fish or a chicken?
fish.
Cool. Well, come on, we
Look
need to
at
go.
This.
Yeah, a snow globe. Come on,
Wait, look.
come on. Alright friends, we're back home and I want to show you what I got. I got some good stuff. Now Catherine got some Legos. She's already been playing with those. They're in her bedroom. But look, first of all, well, my goodness, what in the world? Cats are everywhere. Well here, since you're on camera, here. Show your pretty face. Say hello. Hello. Now, get back here. Get back down there. Sorry about that. Look at that. I got one of those. Who that has chickens doesn't need more of these? I found this at the thrift store. It looks brand spanking new. Best part, 79 cents for the whole shebang. You can't beat that with an ugly stick, can you? Now look, here's something else. Let me dig in here. I got a book. I got that book. Now don't you think I need that book? This is an old book. I have wanted this book. That's Jeremiah making noise.
Yep.
Say hey, everybody.
Hey, everybody.
I have wanted this book since I was a kid. Now, at my local thrift store, hardback books are now $3 a piece. Softback books are $1.50 a piece. This is an old book. It is TFH. That stands for Tropical Fish Hobbyist. That shows some extra information that you might need to know one day. If you're ever playing Pet Shop Trivia, Dr. Herbert Axelrod is the one who started the Tropical Fish Hobbyist magazine and went on to publish hundreds and hundreds of pet books on all different subjects. I haven't read this yet, but I'm going to. That one was $3. That was a lot for that book, I think. But I remember that when that book was brand new, way back when I was a kid, that it was about $15. Way back when I was a kid. That was a lot of money back then. Now this next book that I'm going to show you is something that I have wanted my entire life. Not my entire life. Probably 20 years. Since I knew that the book existed. 25 years. And it's a paperback book, so it was just $1.50. Let me pull this big, giant book out. Can you guess what it is yet? Look at that. It's the Encyclopedia of Country Living. I paid $1.50 for that. This is by Miss Carla Emory. Now, Miss Carla Emory is no longer with us. She went to be with the Lord several years ago. A decade or so ago. I'm not precisely sure of that. Her daughter is actually on YouTube. The Fouch Family Homestead, Fouch-O-Matic Homestead. Esther is her name. But I have a very slight connection with Carla Emory. If she were alive today, she wouldn't know who I am, but I will always remember who she is. Way back before YouTube, way back before Facebook, way back before Instagram, and even way back before MySpace was a website, a forum where you can post and talk with one another. It's called Homesteading Today. And for a brief moment, I was one of the administrators to the poultry forum on there. But Miss Carla Emory, I keep covering up that. My finger goes to that. Miss Carla Emory would come on and she would say, hey guys, what do you think about this, that, or the other kind of idea? She was a member there, and we would try out some of her ideas and give her feedback on whether or not we thought they worked. And she included some of those ideas in her book. And I'm tickled. I'm just so happy to have this book. I just love it. I'm going to read every word in there. I've flipped through the book before. I've seen it on the bookshelf at other stores. Never have had a copy of my own. I paid $1.50 for this. Let's see. $30 brand new. And I paid $1.50. Now that is some more. Oh my gosh, I creased the cover. For those that don't know, now you know. My grandmother was a librarian, and she would have fits that I creased the cover of a softback book. I got one last thing, and you're gonna laugh at what I have bought. But it was 99 cents. Isn't that fun? You're gonna say, Robert, you don't have a little baby in the house anymore. And you know what? You're absolutely right. But look, it's got a bird on it. It's got another bird. Now that's not the only reason that I bought it. These little things turn, and over here it has wooden beads. I'm going to give this to Oscar the cockatoo. Now y'all know Oscar the cockatoo. He is our clothing optional cockatoo that likes to sing and dance. He says, hey baby, and he says, hey daddy. He says, come here. And we're just going to have a lot of fun with that. I'm going to put that in his cage. I'll show you that in a couple of days. I'll make a video just of Oscar playing with this. probably for the first day or two that I put that in his cage, he's going to be leery of it. He won't be scared of it, but he'll investigate it, but he won't be playing with it. But after a couple days, he'll be just fine with it, and I'll make a video of him playing with it. So there you go. That's my thrift store haul for the day. Kind of homesteading related. This is pet related. That book is pet related, but obviously this, and especially this, are homestead related. Love this so much. Happy to have gotten this. Happy to have gotten this. This is just going to be a whole lot of fun. Well, guys, if you have not already, please subscribe. Give us a big old giant thumbs up. Leave us some comments down below. Do you have this book? What's the favorite thing out of this book that you've ever read? Did you ever meet Carla Emory? Give me some comments. God bless you. Bye-bye.